Hey, hello guys. So guys, today again I am here with you with the new Scratch. Today I am going to show you the Tom and Jerry tutorial with the Scratch, and here you will create the games with Tom and Jerry. Also, you can create the cartoons, and it's depend on you how do you use. So let's start. So the first thing I am going to remove this cat from here. Now I will take three of the sprites: cat, mouse, and cheese. Cheese I will create through paint. So first I will choose mouse and cat. So I choose this mouse first, and again I go here and I choose cat. I take this cat. So now this is Tom and Jerry. We give the name for this. Suppose for this Jerry, and for this Tom. Cheese. So I will go to paint here, and as usual convert to bitmap, make it zoom a little bit so you can make it easily. Now I will go on this line. I don't want this purple, I will do black, make it 5. So something like this, something like this, and something like this. So I think this looks like cheese. Now we have hole in the cheese. You see in the um, Tom and Jerry. So we make holes. Don't be confused. I just take this circle and outline. I don't want filled outline, so I remove the outline from here. Now I will take this paint bucket and I make it gray little bit. This. So I fill this with gray colors, only the circles, and the rest of it I put yellow color because we have cheese, so it will be yellow, more yellow. Okay, that's it. So now we have three sprites: cat, mouse, and the cheese. If you want to change the size of the cat or the mouse, so you can do it. Suppose I make this mouse small, like 50. Okay, I did not give the name of this sprite, so I write this is cheese. Okay, now we come to the current code, and the first I take the Jerry, and I will start the coding on it. So here first I will take this. I will go to events. I will take when green flag click. Then I will go to control because forever I want to move this mouse. And after that, I will come here, go to mouse pointer. So go to mouse pointer. We took it from here. And after that, now we will take another. When I click, this is for the mouse pointer only. Now I will take again this when green flag click, then control forever. Inside forever I will use the if condition, and then um, I will go to the sensing, and I will take this touching not my mouse pointer cheesy. So what will happen when the mouse will touch the cheese? Okay, so when I touch the cheese, then I will go to looks and say something like I say Kaka for 2 or 3 seconds or whatever time you want. So you can see with the mouse pointer, the mouse is moving, and when this touch the cheese, it's coming. Gotcha. Okay, so these two blocks for the mouse. Now we come to the cat. So now we come to the cat. Now for the cat, again we will go to events, take green flag click. We will take the forever from control. Here we will go to the motion and point towards the Jerry. The cat will move to the Jerry because now she's moving only. Okay. Now I will say move 10 steps, but it's very fast. So I make it 3 steps. Oh, sorry. I make 3 steps. So let's check because it will be slow, so the Jerry will have the time to run. You can see now is pointing towards the Jerry. Okay, and after that I will put the sound. I come again to the Tom, and here I have to put the sound when it catch the mouse. So I will go to sound and play sound. Yes, it's meow already. So it's okay. You need faster. I think slower. Slower. So I come here and I take this sound. So you can see it's a horrible sound. Okay, now we come to the cheese. Now we finished Tom, Jerry, and now we are going to do the cheese.
That's pretty much activity.
So now we are on Mr. Cheesy, the same thing. We will do it here. We take this when green flag click. Here in the starting, we will not show the cheese. It will hide, and after some time, uh, it will show because cheese will come and hide. Then the mouse will try to catch the cheese, and the cat will try to catch the Jerry. So, excuse me. So here we will go and looks, and we will take the height in the beginning, and after 2 seconds we take this with 2 seconds, or whatever you want, you can take it. Then we'll go to motion and we will take set x2 and set y2. As I told you before, this x we use for horizontal and y we use for the vertical. So here we will give the location of the cheese because it will move on different places. It will move to up to down and left to right. So I will go there and I will take set x to, I will go to the operator and I will say set x to pick. I will choose this pick random, and also with the y I will do the same. Here you know the position of the x and the y, whatever you want to give. Suppose I write here minus 200 to plus 200, and here I say minus 182. You can choose your position, just I am putting. Okay, that's it. And in the last I will do this. In the beginning I made height, and now I will put show. Wow, that's it. Okay, so now we are going to take the backdrops. Now we have the mouse, we have the cat, we have the cheese. Now only we need the backdrop. We choose the backdrop. Suppose which backdrops we should take it. Suppose this one. So let's see the final. See, there is the mouse, and the mouse is gotcha. Oh, again, the cat is coming. But here the cheese is not moving from his place, so let's see what's the problem. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. If you need any question and inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box or send message directly. So take care till the next video. Okay, bye.